We serve a safe process and protect the product as well as the owner and cost efficiency. About Rel-Ion. Rel-Ion, previously known as Indogama, is the first commercial gamma radiation facility in Indonesia. Rel-Ion is performing sterilization, cold pasteurization, and polymerization services. Rel-Ion's primary activity is the gamma processing of cosmetic, frozen and non-frozen food, food containers, medical devices, pharmaceutical containers, and a lot more. Rel-Ion's vision is to be the proper and profitable sterilization services partner, and our mission is to provide an added value to human welfare. Rel-Ion's history throughout the years. In 1991, the radiation equipment and radiation cell were designed and supplied by General Atomic Radiation Sterilizer Incorporated from USA. In 1992, the radiation facility was established and operated by the name Indogama PT Perkasa Sterilindo. This sterilization services operation was legitimized by the predecessor of Republik Indonesia, Mr. Soeharto. In 2004, the company was renamed from Indogama PT Perkasa Sterilindo into PT Rel-Ion Sterilization Services. To this day, Rel-Ion is continuously moving forward to provide an added value to human welfare. Cobalt-60 emits a high-energy gamma rays that will break the DNA chain of any harmful microorganisms and destroy them. Why gamma? Gamma ray has a high penetration properties that enable to sterilize product within various types of packaging materials. Gamma is reliable. The radiation process is very straightforward and reliable. The gamma rays inside the radiation chamber could be directly exposed to the product for decontamination and sterilization purposes. Gamma is multi-purpose. Almost every type of product can be processed by gamma rays, such as products with high density and products with several different mixtures. Gamma is safe. Gamma irradiation is a precisely safe technology. It does not cause any significant rise in temperature, neither leave behind any residue, nor radioactivity. Products can generally be unloaded immediately after the process is complete. Gamma is affordable. While many competitors may imply that gamma is more expensive, in many cases, gamma is often the most cost-effective solution. Rel-Ion's Radiation Facility. Rel-Ion's radiation facility includes the biological shield, the safety system, the source system, and the conveyor system. The biological shield. Gamma rays pass completely through a product and therefore must be absorbed by a protective biological shield. Rel-Ion's gamma sterilization facility uses a concrete cell with ceiling and walls more than 2 meters thick. Inside the cell, the isotope sources are positioned on two parallel racks stored in the deionized water shielding pool with 7 meters deep. The racks are raised and lowered into operating positions by electric winches. Safety system. A sophisticated, redundant safety system with multiple detectors prevents inadvertent radiation exposure to personnel caused by human error, system failure, or natural disaster. Activation of any single detectors automatically shuts down the entire system by lowering the source racks safely into the storage pool. The source system. The gamma radiation source is cobalt-60, which has gamma rays energy of 2.5 MeV. Rel-Ion utilizes a radioactive isotope category 5 that could safely penetrates in the span of 20 years. The source's shape is in double encapsulated stainless steel pencils. Each pencil contains approximately 10,000 to 11,000 curie. The conveyor system. Conveyor system is mechanical system to travel product during the irradiation process. Metal carriers positioned on a specially designed overhead monorail system are used to transfer product materials around the radiation source racks. This monorail system is controlled by programmable controllers interconnected with diagnostic computers that monitor all function. Processing system. All customer product will be loaded into galvanized stainless steel totes with the inner dimension of 60 times 90 times 120 cm at the loading-unloading station. Then, using a forklift, the totes will be placed onto carriers. Each carrier contains of two vertically positioned totes. The carrier's maximum loading capacity is 500 kilograms or 250 kilograms for each tote. The carriers pass through the cell at a defined cycle time with a conveyor speed of 7 meters per minute. Rel-Ion performs services such as sterilization, cold pasteurization, and polymerization. Sterilization. Sterilization is a process to eliminate all microorganisms in order to achieve asepsis or free from infection, with a designated dose of gamma radiation for each product. Sterilization is used for products such as cosmetic, medical devices, pharmaceutical packaging, etc. Cold pasteurization. Cold pasteurization is a process to terminate microbe or bacteria in food products without undergoing a heating process. Gamma radiation's cold process is effective and efficient on breaking the DNA chain of harmful microorganisms and destroy them and their reproduction ability. We do pasteurization process for products such as frozen foods like seafood, meat, cocoa, tea, coffee, fruits, nuts, herbs, processed food, and a lot more. Polymerization. Polymerization is the process of converting a monomer or a mixture of monomers into a polymer in a chemical reaction, forming a three-dimensional polymer chain. Polymerization process at Rel-Ion is for latex gloves, contraceptives, woodworks, etc. Why you should choose Rel-Ion for radiation? Because Rel-Ion is known for its radiation process that is safe, fast, effective, economical, reliable, hygienic, leaving no residue, and guaranteed. Term and condition. Customers should be in compliance with several steps of safety process requirements from the company prior to commercial irradiation process. Customer will describe their product specification, and Rel-Ion should give an explanation about gamma rays radiation technology. Next is sample trial to be irradiated. In this stage, the products will go through an irradiation trial with treatment of several radiation doses. The radiation exposure will fulfill the purpose of treatment accordingly. The treated product after irradiation will be sent back to customer for further tests in the laboratory. After all the previous steps, customers are allowed to determine the requested doses for the specific product based on laboratory result, quotation, and customer data. Next, Rel-Ion will send quotation to the customer, and customer will be requested to submit some supporting documents that are required for irradiation process. After all steps are complied, the product will be processed for a commercial irradiation. Rel-Ion commercial irradiation process. The incoming products should be accompanied by some documents, including purchase and delivery orders to be addressed to irradiator company. After Rel-Ion receives the purchase order, furthermore, warehouse subdivision should load the incoming product and place them in the unprocessed area. Customer service division will then issue a work order as an irradiation guidelines to be fulfilled by processing division. The irradiated products will be kept in the processed area. Then, quality assurance division should review whether the requested dose is properly achieved. Customer service division will finally issue a certificate of irradiation and inform customer that the product has been completely processed. Certificate of irradiation and invoice will be sent to the customer's address by courier. The irradiated product can be picked by customer at Rel-Ion by appointment. Quality assurance. All activities in the facility and above records are continuously reviewed by Quality Assurance Department. This department is responsible for maintaining the quality system, including calibration control, validation, commissioning, Cobalt-60 inventory record, and releasing product. Several licenses owned by Rel-Ion are from Indonesia Investment Coordinating Board or BKPM, license from Nuclear Energy Regulatory Agency of Indonesia or Bapeten, license from Indonesia Department of Industry and Trade, license from National Agency of Drug and Food Control or BPOM, license from International Consultative Group on Food Irradiation or ICGFI, as well as ISO certificate by TÜV Rheinland Group. Our office located at Thank you.